Learn how to make M&M chocolate chip cookies with this easy cookie recipe. These cookies are packed with M&Ms and chocolate chips and can be made festive using the holiday M&Ms or made with any of the numerous flavors that M&Ms offer. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add unsalted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar to a bowl of a hand or stand mixer and mix together until all of the ingredients are combined. Continue mixing and add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and then add the vanilla extract. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, mixing after adding each cup until the flour is fully incorporated into the mixture. If you want more chocolate chip cookie recipes, check the video description below after watching this video for a 3-ingredient chocolate chip cookie and a chocolate chip cookie made with almond flour. M&M cookies can also be made into a cookies in a jar recipe, which make great gifts any time of the year. I will have a cookies in a jar recipe linked below as well. Add in the baking soda and salt and continue mixing until these ingredients are combined. Use a spatula and scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure all of the all-purpose flour is incorporated into the mixture. Add in semi-sweet chocolate chips and M&Ms and fold them into the mixture. Feel free to use different kinds of chocolate chips or different colors or flavors of M&Ms to make these cookies festive for the holidays. Chill the dough for 30 minutes in the refrigerator, and once chilled, use a cookie scoop or your hands and roll the dough into balls and place them on a lined cookie sheet. Make sure to leave enough space in between each cookie on the cookie sheet, as they will spread out when baking. And feel free to add more M&Ms on top of these cookies before or after baking. Bake these cookies in a 375-degree preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until the sides are a nice golden brown. Store these cookies in a sealed container for up to 1 week. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.